This is San212 coming to you for the Crazy Otaku 88 channel. And today we're doing a box opening. I promised that I was going to be doing a figure review. I did get a figure review done. I just ain't posted it yet. So today I'm just doing a quick box opening. I got like 3 new packages of anime from my favorite site, Amazon.com. You can see right here, Amazon. I know that's probably backwards, because it probably is. Yep. Amazon. Rather read that one or that way. Well, I'm doing a package opening right now. And it's Godannar Volume 6. Godannar Volume 6 is a good anime. It's got, it's mostly fan service plus big giant robots. Let's see what else. Second package, Amazon. Eureka 7, Volume 4. Brand new out the package, $5 on Amazon.com. And bigger box. Godannar box set, the starter box, Volume 1, like I said, fan service and big giant robots. I'll go into a big review about that. Sorry about the burp, but I'll go into a big review about that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.